Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your April 2024 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. So two separate subscriptions. We'll get to the box in a minute. Here's the bag. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And be sure to check out their current dollar bead bag items and view all their options on the website as well. They have such a pretty website and it's so much fun to navigate and everything's so reasonably priced. You know, $1 a strand, which is amazing. So this is $8 a month if I didn't say so. You know, $1 a strand. Amazing. All right, so let's just go through the colors. So we're going to start with, I'm going to pick up all 4 of them because I think they look so beautiful together. And I'll pull in. So the first one we have is Crystal Half Blue Iris. So see, that's a crystal bead and it's a half iris on it. So you see the crystal and the iris blue. Jet black or matte jet black. So gorgeous. Look at this. Cobalt or Cobalt AB. So that's Cobalt AB. Look at the beautiful AB coating on that. And then we have Blue Iris, which is one of my favorites. So really, really beautiful colors. So here are all your 3mm. These gorgeous 4s. So we have Crystal Half Blue Iris. Again, so 3 and 4, same color. So the crystal and then the half blue iris on each bead. Gorgeous. Blue Lilac Iris or Rainbow Blue Iris. Gorgeous. That looks like rainbow to me. Blue Iris, and look at this gorgeous sapphire. Oh, that's so pretty, but look at the matte sapphire. AB, look at with the AB on it. That is stunning. So these are gorgeous. So let me put them out all together so you can see what we've got here. How pretty is that? So these are all your fire polish beads in your bag. So I also have a coupon code for you. I'll pop it up on the screen somewhere and in the description. So let's get a look at the box now. Okay, I've taken everything out of the box and here's our letter. So let's start with the strands. Here are all the other beads. And it's amazing to me that this can be as low as $18.50 a month. Depends on your subscription. One thing I'm looking at right here, and I believe this is black spinel. Hello, look at the size of that strand. $18.50 for the entire box, and you've got a real spinel strand of real little tiny, these are 2mm, but gorgeous of spinel. Okay, anyway, so here's your letter. They have an April exclusive offer, which is on Preciosa crystals. So, just check the website. You can place an order now and anytime between until midnight, May 31st, 2024, and save 10% off any items in their check glass Preciosa crystal category. So the code is Preciosa10 with your order of $20 or more. Here's all their social media. Here's our list. Let's get started. Sorry, it's a little glary. Okay, first up, we have some spike beads, and these are jet luster. These are 5 by 13mm check glass spikes, and they look like hematite to me. But I guess they're just jet luster, but they're gorgeous. 25 pieces, and then look at this. You get a 4 by 8mm check glass 2-hole brick. Crystal AB 25 pieces. That's what I got. So they got the 2 holes there and this brick bead. That's really, really pretty. I like that. Or a 4 by 6mm check glass teardrop crystal AB 35 pieces. So clearly I got the brick bead. So you'll get one or the other. 4mm check glass druck jet rainbow AB 48 pieces. Beautiful. And then we have a lentil bead. 6mm jet hematite, 35 pieces. Beautiful. I love all the jet and the blue and the crystal. It's gorgeous. I just can't wait to get to that spinel. 4mm check glass druck. And look at that gorgeous color. That is aqua AB or blue luster. And that's so pretty. 35 pieces. And what I've been eyeing since, they're all beautiful, but look at this puddle of spinel. This is an actual gemstone. Look at the sparkle on it. That is faceted spinel, 2 to 2.2mm in jet. Get a 12.5-inch strand. Gorgeous. Let's look at the additional items. So this is where we're going to start introducing some blue and silver, and with the jet is so pretty. So we've got an 8mm check glass flower button, purple iris, and this is an actual button. So if you see, it's got the hole right there. There we go. See that? So you've got these little tiny buttons. Isn't that adorable? And then we've got 12 by 14 millimeter check glass butterfly navy with silver wash, 2 pieces. I love these. We have a ton of these. So pretty for spring. Gorgeous. Love the silver wash on it. Look at these. We've got a 12 millimeter check glass spiral matte jet AB. Gorgeous. 4 pieces. Look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. And then look at these 14 millimeter check glass button beads in jet hematite. 4 pieces. So stunning. Beautiful. Next up we have this really pretty check glass twisted oval. Sapphire, opal, and crystal. 8 pieces, 7 by 10 millimeter. And these are so pretty. They remind me of vintage beads. I have so many vintage beads that have that sort of striation, the marks like that. Very, very pretty. They feel like stones. They're nice and cold. Really pretty. I have a 10 by 12 millimeter check glass twisted oval. And here, let me put these together because I should have looked to see that there were these both together. So these are so perfect together. So you get the 2 pieces in the 10 by 12 and you get 8 pieces in the 7 by 10. So how perfect is that? Oh, I love beading this way. I love it. I love it when I get the same stone or bead in different sizes. Oh, love it. So really, really pretty. And look how gorgeous. I put the beads back in the bag. I'll take them out at the end, but look how beautiful they look with everything so far. I mean, this is a beautifully coordinated set here if you were to get both subscriptions. Really pretty. That's gorgeous. Next up we have 10 millimeter pewter floral bead cap. You get 6 pieces, and I love a bead cap. It's so perfect for earrings or necklace. And look at the Chinese crystal star cut beads. Jet blue iris, 5 by 7 millimeter. You get 6 pieces, and look what happens when you put them next to each other. It's kind of cool. I mean, they could make a really pretty bracelet. I'm trying to get that to stay. You know what I mean, though. Like one after the other with a pearl or one of the druck beads in between. You make a simple bracelet like that. All right, really pretty. Next up, we have a 12 millimeter Chinese glass laser etched barrel bead. That's this guy. We have others of these. We need to pull these out. I really think this would make a gorgeous tassel, part to a tassel. So that's definitely a thought. And then it's in teal metallic or matte peacock. So you get 1 piece. And look at this button. This is a check glass light blue button with silver or gold edge. Look at that gorgeous, I love the silver edge. Look at the back. This is stunning. 18 millimeter, you get 1 piece. Beautiful. Can you believe that 1850? I mean, lowest, I mean, it goes up a little bit, but I'm just amazing. Just beautiful. These check glass beads are gorgeous. Okay. What do you think? Abstract oval, 12 by 22 millimeter, acid etched jet AB. Look at that. That's acid etched, so on one side, and it's black on the other, and I'm mesmerized by that color. This is a focal bead, if I've ever seen one. I don't think you can bezel this because it's all bumpy and indented in places, but I don't think it needs it. I think it's beautiful just as a, just a drop on something. So that is, and on any, add it to any of these beads, including the fire polish. You've got like one incredible necklace. And then we've got this 14 by 17 millimeter, so you get 2 pieces. 14 by 17 millimeter tiara cast apple blossom charm, antique to silver plate, 1 piece. There you go. This is extraordinary. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous box. I mean, they have really stepped up and made the most beautiful, beautiful boxes and bags, and they coordinate so nicely. I'm pushing them all together. I'm going to bring this down. So this is your box. Let me pull out the bag items. Remember, I have a coupon code, which I will link in the description box below the video and on the screen. If you would like $2 off your first bag or box or anything on your website, if you're on their website, if you're a member, I'll push this up a little bit here. Here's the bag contents down there. Let me pull out a little bit. Okay, there you go. Here's your box above all these fire polish. If you can swing both, how amazing is that? Every month they do these gorgeous, coordinated bag and box. So, if you can do both, do both. If not, just pick one. Even just the fire polish. It's just what a collection of fire polish you get, and you use them all the time. And look at this spinel. I love that. Look at that. That's stunning. All right, I'm going to let you go now. All right, so I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.